Okay, quick demo for Year 10s on Bivariate data. Start in the menu, go into statistics, and we enter the list editor. You might wish to start by clearing all your data so you've got a blank screen to work with. Just using one of the questions we went over in class. We're putting some data in here. 680, 650, 720, 140. So that was the rainfall number of years, and then the rate of bamboo growth. Okay, so now we've got our data in there. So now we want to set up our scatter graph. So the first thing we do is we click on that icon and we make sure we choose scatter graph. There's quite a few different graphs here. Scatter is the one we want. On the horizontal axis we want list 1, so that's set up correctly. So I'm happy with all that. I'm just pressing set. This is the draw graph icon, so tap there and we've now got the graph. Statistics will usually automatically adjust the axes, so we've got some values there. One of the things to note, if we use trace and use the arrow keys to move around, what happens is it's going across looking at the data one by one. Question was, why are they doing it? Because they're going the order that the data were entered in the list. Okay, we're interested in regression, so we're going to try linear regression. List 1 is our X list, so that's all looking okay. Press OK. Usually don't worry about looking at this and just see how the graph looks. Does it look linear? It looks pretty good. I'm happy with that. So now we'll go back and we'll do this again, and this time I'm going to copy the formula and I'm going to copy it to Y1. You can copy it wherever you like, but that's one of the graphing functions. Tap OK, and we can see that our equation is what's on the vertical axis, Y, is 0.167 times horizontal axis, which was the rainfall, plus B, which is minus 61. Okay, so there we have our equation. Now, in order to work with this some more, we might like to come in here and I'll just make a note of what happened. So if we go to the keyboard, ABC, we save this graph as Y1, and just to show you what that looks like, there's Y1 of X. If you prefer it as a decimal, we'll just go back and do that again, and we can see our equation written there as a decimal. One of the questions was, what's the growth rate you'd expect with rainfall of 500? Well, that is simply Y1 of 500. So just go back there, change that to 500, execute, and there's our value. We would expect 22 centimeters of growth based on our line of best fit. And if we want to go the other way, we want to solve other problems, what we might choose to do is solve. Let's go Y1 of X is equal to, suppose we wanted 60 centimeters of growth, how much rain would we be wanting? Just pressing that and we come up with 724 mils. Thank you.